Oh my gosh, who knew that this job was going to be so difficult and hazardous? Today I was making one of my memorials made out of resin, and I put the resin into my pressure pot, which like I always do to get all the bubbles out. Luckily my face wasn't down in it, because normally I'm like watching all the bubbles, making sure everything's good, but this time I happened to be at my computer. All of a sudden, kaboom! I turned around and my pressure pot had exploded. Look at what happened. This right here is the pump. The pump is okay, but check this out. The T valve right here is completely broken. This used to be connected to the top of the pressure pot right here. It is completely sheared off. The gauge is completely broken. This didn't break, which I think is just hard plastic anyway. But this, the rubber seal that goes around it, is completely shredded. It's just crazy. I had resin all over the place, made a big old mess. Now I gotta buy a new one, and these are like $700-800. Maybe I can just buy the parts. I can just buy this T-valve and all that kind of stuff. I ain't no telling how much that's gonna cost. But anyway, just wanted to let you know that my job might be fun, but it is dangerous. Don't stick your face down in the resin pot like I normally do. Lesson learned. Thanks. See you later.